Let's talk Sir Lewis Hamilton and the Groundhog. One fan's opinion. Lap 12, Hamilton is flying around the Gilles Villeneuve racetrack in Montreal. And, well, when you're doing 200 miles per hour, you don't see the finer details. He struck a groundhog. He had no idea that he had hit it until he was told. He didn't understand. He knew he had hit something, but he wasn't understanding why there was a hole in the bottom, in the floor of his car, and why all the fins on the side of the car were all gone. Now, with that being said, it's interesting that he was able to hang on to the position that he was able to hang on to. He held on to sixth position, or at least finished in sixth position, even after not having downforce. That's a testament to a driver's skill. Not saying that the other drivers can't do it, but wow. And now, because he is a huge animal lover, he's a bit distraught. I mean, if you know anything about his animal history, he had 2 bulldogs, one died, and he took that hard. Most animal lovers do take those things hard, but to kill an animal, anyhow. Sorry, Hamilton. Hope you can keep it together and get back to racing. I know it's easier said than done when it's not you in the position. One fan's opinion.